Hello, my world language students. I would like to introduce the next topic that you are going to be working on. Hopefully, you just finished learning about vocabulary pertaining to holidays, vacations, and words that you may need if you ever go traveling. What you're going to be doing in this next assignment is using those words to create a holiday island. You will work by yourself to plan and design a holiday island. That means the island that people go to visit, that people want to visit, will be designed by you. So you're going to design the whole island, what it looks like, what it has on it, what it is done there, and who lives there. Eventually, you are going to map out and draw a nice little map and make a presentation for your island. But right now, we're going to scale it back a little bit. What you just need is a piece of paper to write on, to jot down your ideas. You can use your notebook. You can use a throwaway piece of paper. It's your choice. And these are the questions that we are going to be talking about. First, you need to give your island a name. Second, what is the location of your island? Is it in the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere? So is it in the Pacific Ocean or is it in the Atlantic Ocean? What is it by? Is it by any kind of other countries that exist now? And remember, this will affect the weather. If it's north by the US, Russia, or Canada, it will be colder. And if it's south by Hawaii, New Zealand, or Australia, it will be warmer. The third thing you need to do is what industries or jobs are on the island. Is it only tourism? Is there fishing? Does your island have a volcano? Does it have a cave or a mine? What do people do on your island for jobs, and why do people visit your island? Number 4, why do people visit your island? Is it, if it's in the north, does it have great skiing? Is it a good place to hang out in the summer when where you live is cold? But why do people come there? Hawaii is an island, and so is Japan or Singapore. I think that people go to Singapore for a much different reason than they go to Hawaii. Number 5, what does the area of your island like? Is it flat? Does it have mountains, volcanoes, rivers, jungles, deserts? What is it like? How are tourists going to get there? We can get to Cham Island by boat, but if we want to go to Hawaii, we have to fly. So how are we going to get to your island? Number 7, what amenities or entertainment does the island have? Does it have a grocery store, a convenience store, a hospital, a spa, a movie theater, a school? What does it have or what does it not have? What can people do or what cannot, or what can't people do there? Number 8, is there anything that people have to bring? So is there anything you don't have? Maybe you don't have a convenience store, you don't have a store, so if you need shampoo, toothpaste, clothes, they don't sell those things. Also, are there any specific rules? Like we know in most of our islands, the islands are going to follow the normal rules. We can't steal, we should be nice to people, we shouldn't break things. But is there anything special? Maybe your island doesn't allow motorbikes, or it only allows electric motorbikes and cars. Maybe your island only serves vegetarian food. Maybe your island turns off the electricity on Sunday, so everybody has to hang out and have a barbecue. I don't know. But what is some special rules that your island has? So I would like you to look at this list. You don't have to write down the words, but just write down number 1 and then answer the question. But I would like you to answer the questions as sentences like I have done here. Number 1, island name. The name of my island is Jay's Island. The location. My island is in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of California and Mexico. So be specific when you are writing down your sentences. I'm going to leave this list up So you can pause the video and answer these questions about your island. Feel free to use Google and also ask me questions.